All right, we're working to create the little robot, and we're going to need to have a pelvis for this robot. So we will put together a square that defines the pelvis. And again, in order to get a square, we prefer to have 3 points, and we like to draw the points in a manner where those points are aligned with the axes of SketchUp. And we can see that when we drew this pelvis, it's not quite the size that we wanted it to be. But again, that's not a hard problem to solve. In SketchUp, we can bring it out to the dimensions that we wanted it to have. Now it's important to see that this is all lined up with the axes of SketchUp, and we're going to have to, if we're going to attach the hydraulic cylinder to this pelvis, we're going to have a connection point. So we might as well create that. Again, you can see we have a drawing convention of keeping things separated from each other. And this is the beginning of our pillow block bearing. We have once again defined 3 points, so this allows us to create a square. And we can make a little bit of size to this. And we now have to add the bearing components of it. And that's beginning to look like a reasonable pillow block bearing. We will bring to your attention, there's a possibility our computer may have a little blue alien living inside the computer. We asked him if he would help us to show you the name of the next video in our series about PistonRobot. And he said, sure.